Foul soil against the wall's exterior is removed and replaced with good, quality soil to ensure an even distribution of the chemical active. Care is taken to ensure that all service points are protected with the chemical treatment. Then, the ALTIS Reticulation System is installed. Once the ALTIS reticulation has been installed, the whole system is pumped with the chemical active. Then, the soil is replaced and all the brickwork is reinstalled. The chemical active protection program forms a continuous, treated zone around this home. Managing termite risk requires a programmed and systematic approach. It all starts with a termite inspection by a professional termite inspector at least once a year.